Hi everyone! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ay isa na namang collective love reading. So, tignan natin kung ano yung energies between you and your person. Energy check-in. Of course, ito ay general reading and timeless reading, collective reading. You may not resonate with this. So, maaring para sa'yo to as long as magre-resonate ka. Okay? So, tinan natin yung mga stronger signs for this reading as a confirmation kung para sa inyo to. You have Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, Pisces, Aquarius, and Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Can be any sign as long as makaka-resonate kayo, okay? So, let's see ano yung recent past. Ano yung nangyari in the past sa collective. Justice, guilt, and blame. O may nagsisisihan dito. Ace of Swords. King of Coins. So, maaring you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Meron ding energy ng Libra dito. Someone wants to talk, no? Merong gusto makipag-usap, either gusto niya ng clarity, no? Kaliwanagan sa connection ninyo. Ano yung current situation, current energies ng connection nito? Current situation, current energies ng connection na ito. Temperance. Knight of Coins. Oo, parang sa ngayon, parang walang certain direction yung relationship. Parang wala siyang kasiguraduhan. Pwedeng nakabitin itong relationship na to. And someone here, some of you dealing with a Sagittarius, Aries, and Leo. So, fire sign. What is the Temperance? The Hierophant. Merong ayaw makipag-cooperate. Four of Wands, Four of Swords. Yeah. Some of you meron ditong kasal na, no? Pwedeng, I'm sensing a dispute pagdating sa pera or properties, ari-arian. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay kasal. Oo. Tapos, syempre, pwedeng, nagkaroon ng issue sa inyong dalawa. Posibleng kasal pa rin kayo, but you are not anymore in a good relationship with your spouse. So, sa asawa mo. And now, you want, parang pareho kayo gusto nyong ayusin yung properties or yung sustento, no? Meron ditong gustong maging malaya, no? Na magawa yung mga bagay na gusto niya. And someone here is also parang I feel like wala nang pakialam. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung feelings ng person mo towards you. So, pwedeng mag-reversal yung roles nito, ha? Ano yung feelings ng person ng collective? Oh my God, unhealthy patterns. Ten of Wands. Five of Wands. I feel like yung person mo, siya yung medyo mahirap kausapin sa ngayon. Hindi siya cooperative. Possible that this person meron siyang certain form of addiction, unhealthy habits. This person might be in a dark place right now. Meron siyang cycle na paulit-ulit niyang ginagawa. Marami rin siyang responsibilities, pero parang iniiwasan niya. And I feel like yun yung isa sa nagkukos ng issues, no? Problema sa inyo. Ano yung feelings ng person? Ano yung feelings mo towards your person? Mm. Mm. Yung iba sa inyo kayo yung gustong kumawala. Some of you, ikaw ay fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. May Pisces rin dito. So, Two of Cups in reverse. Unhealthy yung relationship, yung tingin mo sa person mo. Na it seems na, yun nga, hindi siya cooperative. It seems na this person, parang gusto mong umalis, no, sa connection na to. And you want to restart, no? Parang gusto mong, nagbabago yung pananaw mo about this relationship and you feel like you want freedom, you want to do the things na gusto mong gawin na walang pumipigil sa'yo, walang humihila sa'yo pababa. Ano yung mutual feelings ninyo sa isa't isa? Queen of Cups, Justice, the Star. I feel like both of you, gusto nyo ng healing, gusto nyo maayos, yung, kumbaga kahit na, it's either maghiwalay kayo o hindi, gusto nyo na maging tahimik yung magiging ending ng relationship ninyo. You also want na, parang maging maayos yung separation, walang issue, yung parang meron kayong mutual na agreement na, okay, this relationship is not working anymore, so might as well, bigyan natin ng kalayaan yung isa't isa. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung gustong sabihin ng person mo. Ano yung gustong sabihin ng person ng collective? Feeling lost. I'm trying to make this work, but I feel so lost. I don't know what to do or say anymore, and it's easier to just stay in silence. Feeling lost. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, itong person nyo, yun nga, may certain form of addiction or parang may depression. Pwedeng malalim yung pinaguhugutan ng problema niya na pwedeng matagal na niya yan na issue. It's simple really. How do I feel? I want you, us forever. Gusto pa niya, no? No one compares. No matter how many people I've met and experienced I have, there's no one who compares to you. Let the past go. Can we rewind time and go back to before we were both broken down by life? Our past holds us back from our future. Yeah. So, nakakalungkot lang, no? Itong connection na to kasi it seems na you used to be a great couple. This used to be a happy relationship. But then, possible yung person mo nalulong sa bisyo or meron siya mga unhealthy habits right now. Your person might be in a dark place na somehow nakakaapekto na ng pagtrato niya sa'yo. And syempre, ikaw, gusto mo rin naman ng katahimikan ng isip and pwedeng yun rin yung gusto mo sa ngayon na, gusto mo ibigay yung freedom niya para ikaw makalaya ka rin. But it seems that this person, parang ayaw niyang i-let go. Pwedeng ayaw kanyang i-let go. Dahil pwedeng dependent siya sa'yo. Meron siyang nakukuha pa ring benefits sa'yo. Or parang feeling niya, ikaw yung pinagkukunan niya pa ng lakas. Okay? So, gusto niya na sana bumalik kayo dun sa dati, no? Ang hirap lalo na kung merong naging addiction dito. So, kahit na gaano mo kagusto na ayusin, kung yung person mo is hindi niya rin kayang tulungan yung sarili niya, it's more of a burden sa inyo pareho sa relationship. Lalo na kung yung person mo is really lost at this point. Okay? Okay. Parang ang heavy ng mga readings ngayon. So, let's see, where is this relationship going? Saan papunta ang connection na ito? I'm also sensing na parang yung person mo, marami siyang mga goals na hindi niya na-achieve. Naging frustrated siya, tapos kaya dumepende siya doon sa drugs or addiction or kung ano-ano pa, let's say alak, pag-inom, ganyan. Where's this relationship going? Mahirap magkaroon ng karelasyon na may addiction, no? Where's this relationship going? Three of Pentacles, the Magician, Eight of Wands, the Two of Wands. Okay, I think in the future, pwedeng you will try to work things out with your person. Pwedeng marirealize mo na isa ka dun sa dapat na tumutulong sa kanya or parang mag-guide sa kanya. Kasi with the Three of Pentacles, this is coordination, collaboration, working together, and the Magician is fixing things, no? So maaring in the future may mga ayusin. So pwedeng siya gagawin ka rin yung inspiration na maka move on or makaalis dun sa dark place na yan. And with the Eight of Wands and the Two of Wands, I feel like nakakakita ka pa ng pag-asa. There is hope in this relationship. Na sa ngayon, maaring your person is just going through dark night of the soul. Meron din siyang mga personal challenges sa buhay niya na kailangan niyang i-deal with. And I think you will realize na kailangan kanya to be there para sa person mo. Okay? So there's hope in this relationship. Okay? So that is your reading. Thank you so much and goodbye.